The Japanese Rice Festival is a traditional celebration known as Shindoka, or Niiname-sai, an occasion held to give thanks for the new rice harvest and express gratitude to nature. Held in the fall, typically in mid-November, the festival is part of Japanese culture that focuses on the agricultural and religious importance of rice. During the festival, farmers present the first grains of new rice to temples and shrines, where religious rituals and sacred rites are performed, including offering rice to the gods as a form of appreciation. Afterwards, attendees are given the opportunity to taste different types of rice and enjoy dishes specially prepared for the occasion. The festival also includes traditional art performances, folk dances, and rice cooking competitions, where chefs demonstrate their skills in preparing delicious Japanese rice dishes. In addition, there are exhibitions that highlight local products and modern agricultural techniques. The Rice Festival in Japan is not only an opportunity to celebrate the new rice harvest, but also an occasion to strengthen social and cultural ties among the local community, and to raise awareness of the importance of rice as an essential part of daily life and Japanese tradition.